Is a pump-style plunger or a flange plunger the better choice when you are buying a plunger for home use? A flange plunger is designed with a narrow rubber extension that fits into the toilet drain to create a strong seal, so it is usually more effective for clearing toilet clogs compared with pump-style plungers. Pump-style plungers use a bell-shaped cup and a handle that you push and pull to generate pressure and are better suited for sinks, tubs, and shower drains where a flat seal over the drain opening is needed. When choosing, match the plunger to the fixture. Keep the cup and flange clean and pliable by soaking in warm water before use. And replace any plunger with cracks or hardening rubber because a poor seal wastes effort. For stubborn toilet clogs, insert the flange fully. Push gently to release trapped air. Then use firm, steady pushes rather than rapid jerks to move the blockage without splashing. For sink or tub clogs, center the pump cup over the drain. Block any overflow openings with a damp cloth to maintain pressure, and use a combination of slow pulls and quick pushes to dislodge debris. Store plungers upright in a ventilated holder and rinse with a mild bleach solution after heavy use to reduce odor and bacterial buildup. 3 common mistakes are using a pump-style plunger on a toilet which fails to form a seal and wastes time, using too aggressive force that causes splashing and possible damage, and failing to block overflow openings on sinks, which prevents pressure buildup. If you use the wrong type, switch to a flange plunger for toilets and reserve pump style for flat drains. If you are too aggressive, start slowly to form a seal and increase force, while keeping the handle aimed along the drain axis to reduce splash. If overflow openings are left open on sinks, cover them with a wet rag so you can build the pressure needed to dislodge the clog. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors and lets contractors find work by connecting them with nearby projects that match their skills. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share advice, ask questions, and compare tools like plungers so everyone benefits from real-world experience.